Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Disney answer. Yes, the nightly fireworks show at Epcot is currently called Illuminations, Reflections of Earth, and starts nightly at 9 p.m. and lasts 12 minutes, subject to the weather conditions or course.
Take our lead.
La Cantina de San Angel. Best Epcot fireworks viewing location. The best place to be for any presentation on World Showcase Lagoon is in a seat on the lakeside veranda of the La Cantina de San Angel in Mexico. Come early, at least 90 minutes before Illuminations, and relax with a cold drink or snack while you wait for the show.
Let's help you make your mark.
Epcot. Allow at least 3/4 of a day for Future World, the front, thrill ride half of Epcot, and a full day, including an afternoon resort break, at the World Showcase for sightseeing, show watching, food eating, and Illuminations viewing.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
As a result of the COVID-19 impact on operations, the FastPass Plus service is suspended for the time being. FastPass Plus service is not offered with the purchase of tickets or annual passes. We will share future updates at a later date. Let's get you up to speed with FastPass Plus service.
Take our lead.
For now, the Walt Disney World website still states that parades are not running, and Disney did not announce any new parades for the Disney World 50th anniversary. Only Mickey's Celebration Cavalcade, which will run several times daily.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.